To quickly answer that question, it depends. If you follow what I say, you'll certainly get way much more long-term viewers, so don't miss on this. I consider two types of gacha memes, the fully animated ones and the little story ones. Both having their advantages and disadvantages, I'd say the edit memes take the cake for most overrated, and this is like 60% of the community, I feel like. That's kind of fucking crazy. What do I mean by overrated? They all suck. Okay, no, they don't all suck, but they're just all incredibly shallow. Most of the time it's just girl boss type of moments and people beating each other up, which is just ridiculous. The only good thing in videos like those is the animation and the edit. That's kind of just quite it. Despite the ideas behind the story being good, because yes, the animation will definitely bring people in, absolutely, but the story is why everyone stays. Just look at Devil Bona or Rosie Closey. I see incredible setups for interesting storylines in gacha memes, but they all just end in a shitty way. To not make your gacha memes overrated, do everything you've been doing and expand on it. Make multiple gacha memes about interesting characters, have them interact in more of them, tell backstories through edits. Isn't this so much fucking better than girl boss on loop? I mean, who cares? That's why I don't watch those types of videos, personally. You must turn your brain off and wait for the incredible edit that will come in, which is just boring. This solution makes you more creative, more intuitive, and more original. Trust me, and you'll get way much more long-term viewers. Follow me for more insights on that, by the way. Oh yeah, and gacha memes like those of Gacha Vida and stuff are cool. Their animations, impressive and original most of the time. What else am I supposed to say? Get out!